Start. Section 5 of Indian Penal Code provides that the provisions of the code shall remain unaffected by any special or local law. Stop. That being so, if the intention of the legislature was to substitute section 5 within bracket 1 within bracket C of Act 2 of 1947 in place of section 409 IPC in relation to public servants, one would expect a specific provision to that effect in the special act itself. Stop. In the absence of any such express provision, it would be difficult to read any appeal by implication. Stop. The mere fact that under the special act the accused have been given certain privileges which are not available to him under the general law will hardly be any good reason for inferring repeal by implication. Stop. The same act or omission may constitute an offence under one or more enactments. Stop. All that is required is that for the same act or omission a person shall not be prosecuted twice as laid down in section 26 General Clauses Act of 1897, which runs as follows. Stop. Where an act or omission constitutes an offence under two or more enactments, then the offender shall be liable to be prosecuted and punished under neither or any of those enactments, but shall not be liable to be punished twice for the same offence. Stop. In view of this provision in the General Clauses Act, if an act constitutes an offence under two or more separate enactments, then the only restriction imposed by section 26 General Clauses Act is that a person cannot be punished twice for the same offence. Stop. In other words, if a person has been punished under the penal code for an act or omission, then for that very act or omission he cannot again be tried and punished under the special law. Stop. It is implicit in section 26 General Clauses Act that the two separate enactments can exist side by side, although both of them make the same act punishable as an offence. Stop. With respect, I am unable to subscribe to the view enunciated in AIR 1952 Punjab 89 that section 5 within bracket 1 within bracket C of Act 2 of 1947 repealed pro tanto section 409 IPC. Stop. The Punjab case has not been followed by other high courts, and my learned brother Mullah J has referred to those cases. Stop. Suffice it to say that we find ourselves in agreement with the view taken in Bhoop Narayan versus State AIR 1952 Allahabad 35. Stop. We are therefore of opinion that section 5 within bracket 1 within bracket C Prevention of Corruption Act of 1947 had not the effect of repealing section 409 IPC in its application to public servants. Stop.